Before I start today's video, I just want to tell you one thing. That is, if you are not a risk taker, I don't think this share market or this stock market business is for you, because this is all about taking risk. Risk hai to ishq hai. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you what are the basics of stock market, what are the qualities you should need if you want to start a stock market business, how you can start a stock market business, and what are the strategies you should use and how you can sustain in this share market business. So if you are ready to listen to that, please stay tuned till the end, because this is going to be so informative for you. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on the EXPOUND. Let's get into the video. Talking about the basics of the stock market world. This is just like buying and selling of vegetables. Yeah, it's about buying and selling the shares of the company by which you will get a unit of ownership. Yeah, you didn't get it right. Let me explain it to you clearly. Let's take an example that you want profit. You want to earn money by using the stock market. At this time, you are investing 100 rupees for one share. Let's take an example that you are investing in Tata Motors, okay? At this point of time, the share price of Tata Motors is 100 rupees. For one share, you have to invest 100 rupees. So similarly, if you're buying 10 shares, you have to invest 1000 rupees, okay? Let's take a scenario now that Tata Motors are giving a discount, or some or the other ways through which people start buying the Tata Motors product. Let's take an example of this discount itself. So if they give discount, every people will start buying the product. At this time, the income of the Tata Motors will increase. So the share price also. The share price of the Tata Motors was 100 rupees. But since the company's income have grown, now the share price will be 200 or 300. So since you have invested 100 rupees for one share, you will get 300 rupees in return for that single share which you have shared with that company. So similarly, for 10 shares, you have invested 1000 rupees. Now you will get this much amount as a profit. Now take another scenario where nobody is buying Tata's product. So the turnover is decreasing, which means the share also will decrease. For one share, you invested 100 rupees, but now it might even decrease to 50 rupees. So that is a loss for you. So for 10 shares, you might get only 700 rupees, which is less than the amount which you have invested to get profit. So this is how stock market works. There are ups and there are downs. It all depends upon how the stock market is working. We cannot predict anything in this stock market business. Either you win or you lose. The game must go on. Since you've listened to my bug so far, I want you to comment down about whether you have understood the basics or not. If you haven't understood it, I will be glad to help you in the comment section. And also, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video also, because that will literally motivate me in making more videos which might help you. Since you have a little bit of idea about the basics of stock market, now how can you start one? Whom you should contact so that they can help you? You should contact and take help from the brokers or traders, stock market traders. So they will help you, they will give you tips, they will provide all the resources for you. You just have to invest the money and they will take care of the rest. They are just like parents to the stock market business. You just have to give money and they will take care of all of that. There are 4 types of brokers. First one is online. Second one is discount brokers with assistance full service brokers. So nowadays you can just buy or sell shares with one click. Since the digital platform have been booming for the past few years, you can literally start this stock market business in your mobile phones itself. Since there is no office to visit or you don't have any certified assistants to assist you, the only option is by mobile phones or online. You can just buy and sell shares with one click. They will provide you links or websites or resources, so many stuff. Talking about the qualities, be prepared. See, this is stock market and you cannot expect profit all the time. You might get huge profit and a huge loss as well. So you need to survive in that downfall also. You need to face the reality. Next one is clear idea. Whenever you are investing your money, you should have a clear idea about what this business is. Then only you can survive here. And if you're literally taking a wrong decision and you're not having a clear idea about it, you might lose all your money which you have gained by your hard work. And the third one is, don't let your emotions play here, because when you use your heart, your brain will not work properly and you might be ending up in the loss. Next one is, keep yourself updated. So nowadays it's a digital platform and you can easily get information. So if you're not keeping updated with the company about stock market, about stock price, I think this field is going to be really difficult for you. And finally, you should be a risk taker. I have already told you, if you're not a risk taker, this field is not for you. Strategies to know. You should only know about the stock trading and how does it work. So you can check the description where I have posted a link about Investopedia simulator. So you can just sign up for free. It's just like a game. You can play that. You don't have to make any investment in this. If you play that, you will be able to know about how the stock market is, what all strategies are used in the stock market. I'm sure that will help you. And how you can sustain in the stock market, I think it's all about the decision which you are making. So if you're just randomly agreeing to the proposal and if you're just investing your money just because people are telling you, I don't think you will get a profit out of that. So all you have to do is just think properly, keep yourself updated and start investing on learning, because that is the best investment you can make, and get to know about what are there in the stock market business. And after that, I'm sure that is enough for you. So thank you so much guys. This is all I want to tell you in this today's video. If it is helpful, please do mention it in the comment. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye.